Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the charging port on a Samsung Galaxy A32 4G phone. For this, we need a rectangular brush with bristles about 2 centimeters long so that the bristles are flexible. And the bristles should be soft or medium hard, otherwise you might scratch your phone. We need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol in a diffuser like this. And if you don't have one, you can use a small container so you can dip the brush in it. So you can buy a set of brushes and a diffuser like this as a kit from Allegro or Amazon. And if you don't have one, you can use a regular toothbrush. Just make sure it's soft or medium hard, and then it won't scratch your phone. So thoroughly soak the brush with alcohol so that it's wet. You need to turn off your phone completely. Never do any cleaning on a phone that's turned on, so if your phone is on, you need to turn it off. Take the phone in your hand and with a steady, one-way motion, clean the port all the way to the end, as much as possible. Insert it and move it back and forth. Just try to clean the port thoroughly so that it's clean, about 10 times in one direction. Then do the same about 10 times in the other direction. Repeat this process 2 or 3 times in each direction and you'll have a clean port. Now the other side. Do not insert any metal objects into the port. You could damage the port that way, so only use a brush or a gentle piece of plastic if there's still something stuck inside. And a thin piece of plastic from a 3D printer or special cleaning tools from Allegro, but in my opinion, a good quality brush is enough and will clean it just as well. After the procedure, set the phone aside for about 10 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol fully evaporate, and then you can use your phone as normal. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in my next video,